No. Listen, y'all. These kids want to act up in school, want to go to school and embarrass you, want to make like they got no home training. So I told my son, don't go to school embarrass me no more. I take care of you, son. I give you anything you want. I discipline you. But you're going to embarrass me like this? Don't embarrass me, no.
I'm back at it again. This time needs an oil change and tire rotation. So we're gonna do both of those things today. So sit back, relax, and enjoy the show. Don't do this at home if you're not trained. Please take it to your local mechanic and contact them for advice if needed. Whatever you do is at your own risk, because safety first. Make sure you have all your safety protocols in place, right? I've been doing this for years, so I may be missing out some things that other people would have to do. So please do not use this as a tutorial, because I'm missing out a lot of key crucial elements. I'm just sort of more or less showing you how I do it.
good for me. Lately I was feeling like I need a purpose, but when you talk to me, give me the impression that I won't scratch your surface. And I could walk for days for your praise, but is it even there to find? Is there a chance for me to learn your memories? Will I slowly lose my mind? 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 Will I slowly lose my mind?
Okay, that's my service. I hope you guys enjoyed watching. So one more thing, you remember that message I was getting at the beginning of the video that was saying maintenance? I already cleared it, but I figured I'd show you guys where I did it. To any Nissan owners out there, Nissan Titan, pretty much you would go ahead and start your truck. Once you're all up and in service, you're gonna hit the over key. That's this arrow here until you see the menu. There we go. Once you get to this menu, you're gonna use this guy to toggle down. See that? We're gonna go to maintenance, and then once you're at the maintenance, enter. See where it says oil and filter? Enter. And I already reset the clock. It goes to 5,000 and it's already up to 77. So once this number gets up to 5,000, it will trigger that warning that we saw. So this is where you reset it. Once you're done with that, you're gonna back out, hit the back button. I'm gonna toggle down the tire and hit enter. And I did the tire rotation, so I reset it. You can see it's 77. Anyway, that's where all my menu configurations are. I'm gonna go ahead and put it back where I like to keep my screen. I love to keep my screen on the fuel economy screen. So that's what I do. Anyway, guys, I hope you enjoyed and have some fun.